If you are a fan of Razer, then the Razer phone, stay watching. Razer just debuted their new Razer phone 2. It sounds like a very promising cell phone. I want to start pointing out the differences. The biggest one, the headphone jack, it is officially gone. It has an upgraded camera. Samsung made their camera sensors from last year's model, but this year it has Sony IMX sensors. That should give it better processing quality. And Razer is debuting a new UI for the camera app. Probably the only good thing from leaving the phone with no headphone jack is it's now IP67 water resistant. It has a new rear glass panel which makes it wireless charging capable. What, you thought that I was going to mention the specs next? No. Today I'm gonna do something a little different. First I'm going to say who I think this phone is for. I think this game is for a gamer, for someone who likes good quality watching videos and being since it still has a great front-facing speaker. It still has a 120 Hz refresh rate, so you know your visuals are going to be smooth. They did a very nice job with the Razer Phone 2 as well as last year. Did something a little different. Now to finish off the video, here I go with the specs and the price. For display we have a 5.72-inch IGZO LCD 1440 by 2560 with 120 Hz refresh rate. A Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with Adreno 630 GPU, 8 GB of LPDDR4X memory, 64 GB of storage, all the fun Wi-Fi connections we love, and the latest Bluetooth 5.0. For the rear camera, we have dual 12 megapixel cameras with wide angle with an aperture of 1.75 and the other one with 2 times zoom and an aperture of 2.6. Selfie camera 8 megapixel with an aperture of 2.0. We have a 4000 milliamp hour Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 Plus Android 8.1. And here we go, guys. What you all wanted to hear. It is only 799 United States dollars. It even feels good to say it. This was all. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to help the channel grow, look below on the details of the video. Then you will find 2 links. This was Mr. Tech Talk, logging out.